Welcome to Forget-Me-Not Embroidery Kit, a collection of my favorite materials for embroidery. Let's take a look inside. The package itself is resealable and plastic, designed to keep moisture away from the water-soluble stickers, ensuring they stay in perfect condition. Inside you'll find 6 unique embroidery patterns: Forget-Me-Not Garland, Vetch, Columbine, Freesia, Forget-Me-Not phrase with flowers, and Lavender. The kit also includes high-quality tools and materials to get you started. One embroidery needle number 10 from John James, my favorite needles for fine embroidery, a wooden organizer, and 4 colors of DMC embroidery thread, number 30, 26, Blanc, and 3053. Additionally, you also have a tiny matte postcard and a short instruction guide to help you begin your embroidery journey. I hope you enjoy every stitch with this kit as much as I loved putting it together. Happy embroidering!